I've been blow up the sex in and I can get you in. I've been blow up the sex in
Hey y'all, it's Shalina Cho. Welcome back to my channel. Come on in. Today we will be shooting my studio apartment tour downtown Minneapolis. I'm the Sudani Mommy. Welcome if this is your first time tuning into my channel. I'm glad you're here. Here you just walked in. This is just the hallway. If you look at these floors, these are my makeshift DIY floors that I did. Didn't quite complete it, but I had to do what I had to do. I really wanted hardwood floors. I didn't like the carpet in here, and I was like, I think I can do it. So I tried. And that's right here is my closet. It's a little messy. I just keep like my coats and shoes and whatever here, but a lot of times I just keep them laid out here. I put them away for today. I really wanted like an entryway table here, but I never got around to that. But come on, let's keep going. Here is my laundry like walk-in closet. It's really dope. I was really excited to have a washer and dryer. It's very messy. It was really cluttered. I didn't like the layout. The shelving was kind of hard to set up, but it is what it is. Hopefully with my next place, I'm moving out next weekend and I'll be able to organize my closet a lot better. Let's go to my bathroom. Okay, here is my bathroom. I'm Chill Styles, the hairstylist. So I usually have my clients sit here and watch themselves as I'm doing their hair. This is a rack I keep all my supplies in. It used to be more organized, but I use it every day, so it's hard to keep it organized. But I got this from Target. We price matched this. It was, I think it was like 40-ish something dollars. There's a cheaper one at TJ Maxx for like 30 bucks. And I didn't want to go that far, so they price matched it. And I got it for that. And this is actually one of my favorite things. It's like a hair tools holder. It's magnetic and it has like a silver lining on the inside, so it keeps even if your tools are hot. Here, I like playing music when I'm taking a shower. My self-care Sunday bubble bath, play some romantic music, soft music, and light some candles. Here's my camera where I make my hair videos. This is actually a cool little hack. It's just a TV mount from a car. I just put it up there to record my videos. My towels, I was really excited about. I got them at Target. They're like luxury plush towels. I have a bunch of different sets, but I just grabbed pieces I wanted. It's the biggest one, medium, and the small hand towels. And I'm not one of those hosts that said you can't use the towels, they're for guests or whatever. Anybody can use them. This robe here I got from Target. One of my plush robes, I always wear this when I get home. A lot of stuff, these hooks, this curtain was from Target. The floating shelves I actually put in myself. There'll be a video on that one coming soon. I have floating shelves in here and I also have them in my living room. It was a fun project, it wasn't hard at all, so I'll be happy to share that. This lovely little waterfall here, I'm gonna come close and see. I got this waterfall at, I think Goodwill or something. I was really excited about it. It doesn't work right now, I need a new one for it, but I was really excited. And these little scents are always dope. I'm always an advocate for getting incense instead of air fresheners because it keeps the bathroom smelling nice all the time. And I've got some perfume trays, cabinets in here. I have little baskets for every different thing. Self-care one, hair dyeing basket. I'm not gonna open it up, so I'm not gonna show you guys. And then I have one for nails. I have way too many nails. Nail polishes. Oh, I don't know if I want to open this and show you guys inside. I will. Here, yeah, like I said, that closet doesn't hold all my stuff. So I have all my dresses and like formal pieces I don't wear too often. Lotions, these are the ones I reach for daily that I don't keep underneath here. And just some hair stuff above there. It's pretty messy, don't judge me. Let's go into here. I'll start with my vanity. That's just my iPad. This chair I got from Wayfair. It was like one something. I'll have it linked down below. This vanity I also got from Wayfair. I built this. I'll have a video and like a vanity tour hopefully on this. This mirror I thought was cool. It was nice, really sleek. I got it from Facebook Marketplace. All these tools and these setup things I got from Target as well. And this is actually like a bathroom holder. I think it was for toothbrushes. That's what it was advertised. But I thought it'd be cute for my brushes. And this light I got from Amazon. Yeah. That's pretty much my little vanity makeup area. And let's go to the living room. This living room here. I love this couch. I was so excited when I found this. couch from Facebook Marketplace. I think I got it for like $250, but it's from Macy's, the original one. My TV is LG, a nice smart TV. I had to mount this myself. It took months to try and figure out how to mount this TV, but there'll be a video on that one too. I want to do like a full tour of everything I have, and then I'll go back and show you how I did each project inside individually. But yeah, this TV was a hassle to mount, but I stuck with it and finally got it. These are the other floating shelves that I built too. The ones in the bathroom actually came in like a set. They were designed to be floating shelves, but this is just like planks of wood that they had at Menards I got, and the brackets and screws and everything I got separately. I've just put a couple little decorations. It's still Christmas here, as you can tell. I got my Santa hat on Lana Del Rey, one of my favorite album of hers, and just a plant I got from a housewarming gift from my friends. But yeah, we can keep coming over here this way. This is a shelf I found in my parking garage spot. My manager said I guess the person that lived here before just left it, and I thought it was perfect for this aesthetic, so I kept it. And also, that's how I got the idea for those floating shelves over there to match this. I saw it at Target, and I think it was over $100. And I was just like, I had to live. Getting this for free was really nice. I designed this. It took me way more time than I'd like to admit, having the different colors, aesthetic in each shelf. And I also have the rest of my books over there. My favorite books, Alchemist, Between the World and Me, was really dope. I have my personal journal up there. Something Borrowed is one of my favorite movies. I had to put that up there. I always like self-help books, like 7 Habits for Highly Effective Teens. This was a DIY project I did last Valentine's Day, but it fits the Christmas aesthetic, so I kept it up. Also, little diffuser I got from Target, candles. Dollar General is my favorite place to get candles, super cheap. And then some more books that I like. T.D. Jakes is my dad. He doesn't know that yet, but I love that man. He's one of the greatest pastors around. American Marriage, everybody talks about this book, but that book was very traumatic. So if you haven't read it, don't do it. Come over here, I'll show you guys my bed. I think in this last, I learned to be able to invest more on peace, things that bring you more peace. This bed I like because it was low to the floor, and also it gives a little more space. This throw I got from my mom for Christmas. But when I'm talking about like investing more, this is like my first down comforter I got. I shopped around and did so much research. I got it at Macy's. If I remember where, it was in my Vlogmas series, but if I remember where it was, I'll tag it again down below. These are like 400 thread count sheets. I never thought I would care what that meant, but that carries so much more softness. You can fall asleep so much easier. I actually am due for a new mattress though. I bought that probably like 7 or 8 years ago. You'd think that they're expensive, but if you go to the high end of like Walmart or something and get the 400 thread count sheets, it's a good deal. I also get them at Target. Invest in a quality night's sleep. It's important. Minneapolis, the city. This is just my dining room table. Sometimes I use it to study. I don't eat much here. I eat in bed, which is a bad habit, but it is what it is. I put this contact paper I got at the dollar store, but it's falling apart too. I'm not taking this table to my next apartment. It's going in the garbage. And here is my kitchen. Yes, I'm not racist. I have white appliances. It's just a typical kitchen. I don't think there's much to it. I have a dishwasher, which is cool. The 4-hour delay is my favorite feature because I can just put dishes in there and go to bed. It doesn't start till I fall asleep. Lots of cabinet space, so that's really cool. For the sake of transparency, my rent is $10.95, but I also got it at a promotional rate for 2 months off. So if you break that up, it's like $960, $950 per month. So it wasn't terrible. I also don't drive, so it's nice being in the city and being able to commute and get around easier. Well, thank you for watching this tour. I hope you guys got a little insight of what a studio apartment or luxury apartment in downtown Minneapolis would run for, what you could get for your money. If you're new here, please join the family, subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more of my DIY projects and the stuff that I built in here. And thank you for watching. Bye.